Hi friends, this is Bai Louie and we are officially here in Davao. Today, I am going to start my new series called Medyo Check In, kung saan magre-rate tayo ng mga hotels kasi kailangan bago natin i-gastos ang ating mga hard-earned money, kailangan mo nating malaman if it is worth it or if it is not or medyo so-so lang. So, right now we are here at Park Inn by Radisson's Davao. And alam nyo ba, ang pinaka-selling point ng Park Inn by Radisson's ay this is close to SM Lala! Woo! Like literally may bridge siya guys. So maganda rin kaya ang kanilang mga rooms? Well, let's find out. Tara!
Okay, one, two. Isa pa.
So we are here in their lobby right now and first impression, actually very bougie guys, and even though it's bougie, it is not intimidating, not like the other hotels. Like meron silang waiting area doon kung saan maraming nagwe-wait talaga, and right now andito kami ngayon sa harap ng Vanda kung saan pwede kang mag-order ng mga food and drinks na mga ready to go. But if you really like to eat like dinner or breakfast, tomorrow morning magbe-breakfast kami dyan sa Banda. And speaking of their lobby guys, it is medyo aesthetic. Actually, yung interior design niya parang plain na parang hindi. For me, pasok siya sa taste ko. Also, yung amoy niya guys, it's amoy 5K per night. No, amoy mabango. Amoy fresh, amoy powdery. Parang ako yun. May sense siya na nakakagaan ng loob, nakaka-relax. Yun guys, nakaka-relax. Kasi yun yung pinaka-importante, diba, sa mga hotels na ganito. Now, let us check their rooms. Come on! Oh, kayo pala yan. Pasok kayo. Welcome to our room for 3 days and 2 nights. So, we've got the standard room. When you come in, you will be greeted by a full body size mirror with pugaw. Hindi nakakaganda yon guys. And tara. Dito, meron ding na windows na pwede mong check, and if may mga activities dun guys, pwede mo yung tignan. Tara. Dito ay isang upo. Yan pala yung cabinet or kung saan mo pwede i-store yung mga gamit mo. Dito guys, pwede mong upuan para ihubad ang iyong mga shoes, change into slippers or what, ganyan. Ito yung bed. Very comfy ng bed guys, yung comforter, very bago, malinis, very comfy as in, very malambot. Andito yung TV, where you can store your shoes, may mini ref kayo dito, trays, na walang laman, yung coffee. Park Inn by Radisson's guys, they don't support plastic bottles na, kaya kung gusto mong kumuha ng water, kailangan mong kumuha dun sa hallway. May isa kayong pitcher na kung pwede nyong lagyan ng water nyo. And then, oh my god, this is my favorite part of the room. Why? For VA, for digital nomads like... Okay. Para bang...
Bruh.
For VA or digital nomads like me, meron tayong working station dito guys. Like, Tignan nyo naman. Na para bang 100k with 2 clients ang iyong ginagawa dito. Dito maganda yung side ng rooms, guys. Kasi may view kayo ng SM Lanang. So imagine, guys, pagkagising mo ng umaga, like, ganito ka. Coffee ka dito. For its price, I think it's reasonable naman, guys. Kasi yung selling point nga niya, may pool, gym. Kasi it is a 4-star hotel. So, hi guys. I am still currently working right now. Like, dito pa rin ako. I'm working. But, since 6 a.m. yung breakfast time dito, magbe-breakfast muna tayo. And then, di pa talaga ako nakadala ng chinelas, guys. Shoes lang suot ko. So, yung hotel slippers ang gagamitin natin para bumaba. I don't know if that's advisable, but yeah. Dito yung working station ko, di ba? Dito yung working station ko. Sobrang lamig! Kasi andun yung aircon and then papunta sa akin dito, guys. Sa akin. Ayan. Since gusto ko kumuha ng aesthetic shot, I'm gonna do it right now. I mean, kunwari nag-work pa rin. Tapos walang view. Epic feel, guys, walang view kasi super moist. Super moist ng labas. Yan. Pero kunwari, merong may view. Thank you, Lord. So, kahit sobrang gusto kong mag sleepers. I feel like, guys, parang ang pangit naman tignan if mag-sleepers lang tayo pababa. I mean, hindi naman pangit pero nakakahiya. So, there's no other choice but to wear the shoes again. So, iiwan ko muna sandali yung work ko and then I'll be back. Have my breakfast, but actually it's my dinner. Very quick lang. Kasi I wanna show you guys their breakfast buffet. Ano yung ino-offer nila, di ba? Suotin na natin ang ating sapatos. Actually, guys, yung hotel room na nabook ng ating sponsor na si Kuya Ben and Ate Jo Ramos ay may breakfast included. So, sana naman pa iba-iba yung breakfast nila everyday because we'll be staying here for 3 days. Mamaya na lang ako maliligo after ng breakfast and after ng work ko since today we're gonna do touristy stuffs. Touristy stuffs! Para bang may word na touristy stuff. We're gonna be doing a lot of activities today. Pupunta kami ng... Actually, wala akong alam. Ang pagkakaalam ko sa second day namin dito, guys, ay magsasamal kami. But, due to unforeseen circumstance, hindi matutuloy yung samal namin. Anyway, I'm done. Labas na siguro tayo and then let's eat. See you there. kailangan ko nang bumalik kasi kailangan ko nang tapusin yung mga trabaho ko doon. Bye! So hi guys, kakatapos ko lang gamitin yung yung shower nila. For the good points, may body wash, may shampoo and conditioner. Tapos yung pressure ng bidet guys, very good. The problem is, it's a me problem na yung body wash nila, parang I feel like di ako nalilinisan ng mabuti. Kahit na, kasi hindi siya mabula. Gusto ko kasi sa body wash, yung mabula. Tapos yung feeling na, parang bago yung feeling pagkatapos mo maligo. Parang ganun guys. And then, yeah, yun lang naman. So far, yung CR nila maganda, kompleto. I have tried many other hotels na may mga sabon, shampoo, and then di talaga sila magaganda. So bring your own na lang if ever para pasok sa preference niyo, diba? Yeah, I think that's it for the review of the comfort room. So hi guys, andito tayo ngayon sa second floor ng hotel kung saan located yung gym, pool, and also yung bridge connecting the hotel and the SM Lanang. However guys, the bridge right now is under construction kaya hindi po siya pwedeng daanan. Pero based on the reviews, yung bridge daw yung isa sa mga selling point ng hotel na ito since nag-offer siya ng convenience sa pag-cross ng hotel to the mall. Temporarily pala na-move yung gym nila sa third floor. So, instead, punta na lang muna tayo sa kanilang pool area. Let's go!
Ibutan ko sa vlog. Wala ka na. Mabilis ka na.
Bang ka na akong viral.